After 9 adult Happy Meals, I only managed to get these 4. So these other 5 boxes are duplicates of Darla and Watfutu, because those are the ones, right? Watfutu? Because those are the ones I got the most. So the 5th one, the girl with the glasses, I can't read that, but anyway, the one with the glasses, Jenny got duplicates of that, so she's gonna bring me one of those tomorrow. And my daughter's friend works at McDonald's, and I asked her nicely if she could, if I gave her the code, if she could look at the bottom of the box to get me the brick one. And so she did. So she brought me these 2 that she said are brick. I've already opened the seal, so it'd be easier on camera. But if you didn't know, there are codes on the bottom that tell you which one it is, if you know. Unfortunately, she could not give me the golden nugget because that one was apparently already given out when she started looking in the box, which is fine. I didn't expect a miracle, but I now have this one. So this one is going to be for Jenny. Unwrap him. There he is. There's Brick. So after Jenny gives me her duplicate of the nugget with glasses, I will have all 6, not including the rare golden nugget. But I'm happy with completing the main 6.